This is Samantha, known to her friends as Sam. She and Jane were at college together and have been BFFs ever since. Back in the college days, Sam had a pretty wild time in the clubs and sometimes didn't pay too much attention to her finances. But now she's a reformed character. As well as keeping her apartment spotless, she's also been improving her FICO score. And her bank is helping. When her credit card payment is almost due, it sends her a reminder by text giving 3 options. Pay 50% of the payment, pay the minimum, or pay in full. She opts to pay in full and gets a message from the bank congratulating her on 12 months of on-time payments. She now gets double awards on her card, so she'll get twice the cash back. While Sam's celebrating one of life's little wins, she's thinking about how her bank has really helped her stay on track with her finances. FICO platform used contextual profiling, a shared attribute library, and a machine learning model that determined that Sam had a higher than average likelihood of missing a payment. A set of rules triggered the reminder and the loyalty bonus for paying on time. All this was communicated on Sam's preferred channel. And that's not all. A couple of months ago, Sam was stressed about the interest she was paying on her credit card. Because of the bank's personalised approach using FICO platform, they were able to spot when her FICO score improved and called up to offer a personal loan so she could clear the credit card debt at a lower interest rate. It's made such a difference. Sam's really cleaned up her finances and feels great about paying off the credit card in full every month. She's steadily paying back the personal loan, and there's even a bit of spare money for some pampering with her friend Jane. Good for her.